to see those plans being implemented. The cost of living is just unmanageable. As you can see, I'm carrying a bag worth of household goods I've just bought worth 6,000 shillings.
Right.
So even one water I would be carrying in this bag worth 6,000 shillings. And truly, I don't really feel it.
Okay, which area especially do you feel like you're feeling the pain the most?
I've just bought a package of sugar at 450 shillings. Yeah. So obviously that it shows you that the cost of basic commodities are not just acceptable. Okay. If they could just do something to help that, that's what we are looking forward to. And also the other things, our pay slips keep on shrinking. Yeah. I wonder whether they're going to manage the economy entirely from taxes and shrinking our disposable incomes.
Thank you very much.
I mean, without our ability to purchase, it will have a trickle effect on those other economic